Hello guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to take you through how to add text in Camtasia 9. Having text playing in your video clip or audio clip, just something like this one, it makes it really very nice thing, so that people can be able to know what your video is all about. Having text in your video, it makes it really very good for people to know, and even more so YouTube, and particularly if you're kind of person that having YouTube tutorials or videos that you upload on YouTube, so definitely makes YouTube to know what it is all about. So that's why text is really very important in your video tutorials. Even the intro part of it and even the outro is also very important. So this video I'm going to take you through how to add text in your video clip. So far now I already have some narrations that I've already recorded using the Camtasia, and somehow I've made a little bit of reduction on the sound effects, so at least to reduce the background noise, which I've done. And that's how you see there's a kind of noise removal as well as this, and here I've already placed it in the timeline just by going to the place, just drag it to the timeline, and then there it goes. Okay, now I already have my audio clips placed in the timeline, and then we have this kind of thing which you're seeing, the part of the text that I've already inserted here on this narration. So, and I think it looks nice, and let's just maybe just hear part of it and let's see how it goes.
Hello guys, welcome. This is Video Production Avenue, and today is Wol Akol. So,
okay, having this kind of text in the video is very important so that people can be able to know whatever you're talking about. So okay, to place an audio narration, so definitely to place a voice narration, definitely you need to go somewhere. And here we call in Camtasia, we have this functions here which is very good, and then to go to find way of getting a text, that definitely you need to come here and click to annotations, and then here you have to play around with the kind of text that you want. Do you want to emphasize on something, or you want to look at a plain text only? And as for this one, I've already inserted the intro part of it, and then I'm going to see how I can fix my name also there so that it goes the way it's supposed to be. Okay, to insert this you need to just come and click, and then you drag to the timeline to where you want to insert it. And here we see that the size is a bit big, so that's for the length of the text to appear on our main screen. So to make it short, then we have to trim it. That means that we have to resize it to the amount that we want. So we just play around with it to see that we want the way it's supposed to be. So collect a little bit of the size, and then there we say that's the video. Well, my name is Wol Akol. Okay, say my is reduce the size a bit. Let's see how I can add another one. So keep on dragging there. I have to resize it. Let's say my name is Wol Akol. And when you see this one's like this, that means that the size of the text at the main screen is not it is small, so that's why you need to enlarge it by dragging this to the left, to the other side, to the left, to the left. There it is. So let's play and let's see how to start from there.
welcome. This is Video Production Avenue, and today is Wol Akol. So please, this channel is all about educating you on video production.
So guys, this is how it is, and you can add many as possible, a kind of a narration, that kind of a text into videos. Like say like here, I have a little bit of mistake, so let me just remove, fix something here in between, because I said hello guys. I said which I just made some error. That's probably my name. So we said with you is Wol Akol.
Guys, welcome. This is Video Production Avenue, and with you today